Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make じゃがいもとソーセージのサラダ. It's a simple salad using potato, onion, and sausages. Very easy to make, filling, and most importantly, delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 to 3 potatoes depending on the size. 1 onion. 5 sausages. 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. Some salt and pepper and black pepper. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first. So onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. And let's make very thin slices using vegetable slicer. You can of course use knife, but it's much easier. Strainer in the bowl. And release it in cold water, just random amount of water. Potatoes. Let's peel the skin. Remove the eyes if there is any. Cut them into bite-sized pieces and put in a bowl that you can microwave. And sausages. Let's just make thin diagonal slices. In the bowl of potato, add about a tablespoon of water. You don't need to measure it, just eyeball it. Cover it and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 7 minutes at 800 watts, and the toothpick can easily go through. The water should be all gone by now, but if you still see some water at the bottom of the bowl, just throw it away. Let's add vinegar and about a teaspoon of salt and pepper and mash it well. Let's put the potato in a large bowl so that it's easier to mix. Now, let's saute the sausages. Heat up frying pan over medium heat. No oil needed. Let's put the sausages. Once it's nicely browned, cue the heat and add it to the bowl of potato. Sliced onion also into the bowl. Drain. Take some and squeeze it really well. Salad spinner won't do the job, so you need to squeeze it. Then into the bowl. Let's add mayonnaise. And give it a good mix. Let's serve in the bowl here. And finish it with generous amount of black pepper. And じゃがいもとソーセージのサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The sausages and mayonnaise makes the salad so rich and flavorful. This is great as a side, but it goes really well with beer. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. じゃがいもとソーセージのサラダ is a side, so let's put it here, and some sort of pickles for the other side. How about tamago sando, Japanese egg sandwiches here? It's bread, but it's carb, so it goes here. かぼちゃのスープ or any soup you like here. Let's pass the main and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!